Hi everybody, Jim Blinky here, and you can see today we're going to be designing an Italian poster. So I counted the total amount of paragraphs inside the assignment, and that was 5. So I started drafting on the piece of papers on Photoshop using the drawing tablet. So once again, followed the paragraph size, choosing 5 paragraphs at a time, drafting the shapes and things I might use, locating and placing, thinking about like location of the placing things like that. So since it's a Italian project, I thought I might as well add Italian flags or something like that, which turns out later to be not exactly efficient. So I went to Pixpay to get the image I wanted and I dragged it in. I also tried to find some influences and like idea generation for the Italian culture and pre-designed like things like that. But I didn't like the color scheme, so I decided to go with the blue and the dark blue with a double layer of copy. So I finally added in the title. The original one was too long and didn't fit that well. So I was kind of forced to like separate them into 3 parts, and that's what I did. So now, as you see right now, I try to put in all the information inside my poster, just like got always in a straight line to make it neat and nice looking. So I dragged the title up a bit, try to change the shape a little to see how it works. There wasn't enough space to fit 5 paragraphs, and only managed to fit 4. So I decided to change things up a little bit more and lower the text size and things like that, and the gapping between each paragraph. I changed the original 18 to already then 16, I believe, and I kept the same size for the title to that. So now, as you see, 5 paragraphs really fit in, so I try to match everything together. So I try to put the paragraph slightly to right a little bit or under the title parts to make it clear to read. And right now I'm adding the shading to separate it from the background image. Because for the lighter parts of the image, the text doesn't work that well. So I add in the darker edges and the outline to make it clear to read. So at this point I'm more like getting in the pictures, getting the states, going to map and locating the city areas, print screening things, and getting the ideas that I wanted. So for the basic shape, I decided the pentagon, I think. I originally searched the hexagon, then realized that was 6-sided and not 5-sided. So I decided to add the green at the top, and then add images in the form of a hexagon. Add the shaders and things like that to make it clear and balance out the post a bit. Because I realized putting all the text to the left side outbalances the right side to make it seem empty. So I try to add more things to the right side, a bit more to the left side, as in pictures. I try to choose the pictures that matches the text that's written in there. So you know. So at this point and before I realized I actually forgot to put a map in, so I had to get it again. So at this point I try to change the shapes around a bit to make it more lively. And this time I'm getting food and things like that to add into it. Just for the pasta itself, I don't really want like the pentagon to get involved, so I just have a large pasta thing at the bottom of it to make it look, you know, to take out the bottom half of it to make it look clean. So I continued with the poster, doing whatever I need to do. At this point, I began adding in like the color flags for the Italy culture, just running up the things basically, getting up the pentagons up there and just deciding to change the colors afterwards. So I changed that one to red, pulling it down, and that's finished. So thank you for watching my poster design, and see you next time.